All right, so here we go. So, you might notice that building's called the Float Works Food Factory. So it used to be a parade float. You would make parade floats or anything like that. How we doing? So that's why you notice all these little like animals, like you know, get the alligators and whatnot, and little pieces of the sea monster coming this way. So it was a parade float. All these things were parade floats for mardi-gras. So that's kind of what it was. And so the typhoon, the same one that hit Typhoon Lagoon, was the same one that kind of like wiped this whole little Float Works Food Factory out here. And as it's going this way, kind of scooped into the Sassagoula River. But all the parade floats kind of floated out, and they're out here now. So that's kind of why there's a random seahorse and a whole bunch of really different animals and sea creatures here, because they're just playing the Mardi Gras parade. So there's a little bit of Disney history there for you.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.